my radio's going off outside.
Your radius.
I just heard it from outside. Of all things, I have to issue that while I'm outside with my friend. What the frick? What?
National Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a severe
What in the world?
warning for southeastern Santa Lucia County and southeastern Michigan,
God.
northern St. Clair
I
County
completely
and
forgot.
southeastern Michigan until 3:15 p.m. At 2:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Yale, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Oh, crap.
Hazard 60 miles
Forgot.
per hour wind gusts and quarter-size
There's a
hail.
martial risk today, so of course it's going to be
Radar
severe weather.
indicated impact.
Be quiet.
Damage to
You
vehicles
want a
is
friend recognized
expected.
warning. I do not want to hear you talk.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Even with perfect reception, all these radios,
Port Huron and
like,
Lakeport around
they get...
2:45 p.m. Other locations.
No, not perfect reception. Even if it's a different spot, they still get bad reception.
Birch Beach, Lintown, Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3. Santa Lucia and St. Clair. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Today, partly cloudy.
What is this day turned into?
A chance of showers and thunder.
Warning.
Yo, what's up, guys? So today we're just hearing this warning.
Oh yeah, here's your empty Prime bottle.
Prime! Drink Prime right now! Or else you'll get electrocuted by Logan Paul.
What?
Super Saiyan Logan Paul.
Let me check if your mom texted me yet.
How's
No. No, she didn't. I did not see anything yet saying a new text. Surprising because it's already 3:30, so.
Yeah, it's already 3:31.
Still hazardous water passes.
So guys,
No.
before this happened, we were watching our videos.
Yeah. Alright, I'm trying to edit something over here. Don't care about you because you're just going to lose reception anyway. It's not like it's going to matter.
Until 4:45 p.m. The thunderstorm was located over moving east at 30 miles. Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lakeport around 4:05 p.m. Port Huron around 4:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Fort Gratiot, North Street, Avica, Blaine,
Oh, great. It's a 6-hour event. Wow, okay.
Broadway, Ruby, and Wadhams. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45
Okay, that one
p.m.
put it as a 1 hour, 30
County,
minute event.
St.
So
Clair,
okay, props to
Michigan.
that. But that one included it. This one included a 6-hour event. Almost like I keep this one on.
Suburbs. Today, partly cloudy.
Or I don't know which one I'll keep on. Cause.
And thunderstorms in the late morning and afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. West
As long as
winds
they turn
10 to
at 6,
15
like
miles
right
per
there,
hour with
I'll
gusts up to
keep this
25
one on.
miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%.
I'm editing Harrison right now, so.
National Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Through there somewhere.
Southern Livingston County in southeastern Michigan, northern Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan until 5 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gregory, Oregon, 7 miles west of Pinckney, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Chelsea around 4 p.m. Pinckney around 4:05 p.m. Dexter around 4:15 p.m. Hamburg around 4:20 p.m. Whitmore Lake around 4:25 p.m. South Lyon and Dixboro around 4:30 p.m. Salem around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Hudson Mills, Lakeland, Linden Township, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Delhi Mills, Martin Hills, Unadilla, Pinckney State Recreation Area, and Howe. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Livingston, and Washtenaw. As for the northern suburbs,
I'm eating! Whoa!
National Weather Service indicates a severe thunderstorm warning for Macomb County in southeastern Michigan, southeastern St. Clair County in southeastern Michigan, until 6 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Macomb Township or near Mount Clemens, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Baltimore around 5:10 p.m. Algonac around 5:20 p.m. St. Clair and Marine City around 5:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Anshoreville, Adair, Shelby Township, Brattle Run, Braid Center, Utica, Washington, Fairhaven, New Haven, and Stony Creek Metro Park. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Macomb, and St. Clair. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Monroe County in southeastern Michigan, northeastern Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Britain or near the county, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Milan around 5:30 p.m. To the around 5:40 p.m. Maybe around 5:50 p.m. Ida around 5:55 p.m. Monroe around 6:10 p.m. Lapeer around 6:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Newport, Cologne, Macon, Astral Beach, Toledo Beach, Erie, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Ridgeway, and Bowles Harbor. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Lenawee, and Monroe. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Early this evening, a chance of thunderstorms at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Metro Beach Metro Park Marina around 6:35 p.m. Move to safe harbor until the hazardous weather passes.